Alright guys, so check this out. Whenever I do AFK farming from my computer, I activate my uh, macro or the automation clicker from my computer. So here's how the purpose of this, by the way, is for you to go back to a specific location in your map uh, in case someone infiltrates your map and apparently kills you. So if you do AFK farming and that happens, well, your character will just stay in the respawn area and you're pretty much screwed up. So with this one, it will allow you to go back to the specific place where you want your character to automatically go to do another set of AFK farming. So here's how I do it. First, I need to record the sequence of clicks from my computer by starting on clicking this one. Macro enable, what's that? Macro recorder, or just press Control 9. Once you're done doing that, it will pop up the screen. Okay. So I suggest you move this one to the side first, or somewhere here. Probably here. And I'm going to explain to you why after I'm done recording. So what you're gonna do is to click on this button here. It says record, and what it does is all of the movement or clicks that you make will be recorded in your Nox. So say you already die from someone who infiltrated your map. What I always do is first I click on the map here and select a specific location from the map where I want my character to go. So based from my experience in Java, I less likely to encounter an infiltrator from the 69 or the Cobb Lancer, which I am currently at. So you might want to click on either these button. As you can see, my character is moving towards that. And I'm going to click on this one. And again, so you can see the green button, which is my character, moves to that location. So after I'm done doing that, I'm going to close this. And you're pretty much good to go. Script saved. Okay. So again, why did I move this screen right here? So basically, just like what I said earlier, it will record all of the clicks that you are doing every time you're on the record mode. So if you did not move this screen right here to this location, it will also record what you are going to do while the screen is here down to this location. Okay. Now, are you already done? No. Because what you have to do is to set this up again. So you need to click on this button here, which is the setup. Now what do we have here are, well, your settings basically. So you have here loop. It says loop one time or one times. Okay. Which means to say that it will only do the automation once. You also have this loop until stop button is pressed, loop, and you have a time here, minute and seconds, and you have the interval. So if you want this to be unlimited, you have to select this loop until stop button is pressed. And loop interval, this means to say that If I am going to set here 1 second, it means to say that the automation will do the sequence every second of the time, which is pretty much unnecessary for this game. So I'm going to set this, for example, 10 seconds. And I'm going to save my setting. Okay. So after you save it, let's try the macro. So I'm going to click on this play button here. So after 10 seconds from clicking that button, my computer should automatically go to the place or click the map. See? Okay, so it's taking its time before it clicks on the next button because I was actually explaining things out. See right there? It did click the homunculus button. Here's my hand and here's the other hand. And right there it clicked on the Cobb Lancer automatically. Then it should close the window. There you go. So you're back. Okay. So it will do this every 10 seconds of the time, which is, well, it's really basically, it's really up to you how many seconds do you want this to be looped in. But I suggest a minute is fine. So I'm just gonna put here 60 seconds. And save my setting. So there you go. Hopefully this video is informative to everyone on how you do AFK farming. Just enjoy playing and have a good one.